What a smart rapper. Today we're talking about assonance. Ass. But seriously, assonance in rap, assonance in rap is when the vowel sounds, the vowel rhyme sounds they're gonna sound the same. And a great example of somebody who does this on a regular basis is Eminem. I'm gonna show you guys today, I'm gonna show you examples of Eminem using assonance, how you can use assonance, and then also give you examples of how Crooked I uses assonance in his raps. And you're gonna see how often Eminem does this, and probably how you do it very subtle. You're probably very subtle how you do it. You probably do it on accident without even realizing that you do it because it makes your rhymes sound better. We're gonna talk about that today. I'm Rob Level, this is smartrapper.com, and you're about to get smarter right after the intro. Alright, Smart Rapper family, this video was made from an article that I already wrote about this. So I pretty much went ahead and I just took the thing that I already made, which is this Eminem Patiently Waiting verse that has the assonance rap examples. What I'm going to do is I'm going to read it to you so you can hear the assonance. Assonance. Whoa. Why the fuck is it called assonance? I need to do the Latin, the breakdown on why it's called assonance. Assonance. Okay. It sounds like some... Oh, never mind. Whatever. Okay, cool. So here's lyrics from Eminem's Patiently Waiting verse. And you can see where I bolded the parts. That's where there's assonance at. And I'm going to read it to you out loud so you can hear how it's rhyming even when it's not a rhyme, and you probably didn't realize how important it was in your raps, right? Okay. And not to like drop myself in here, even though I always do, right? But if you go to a lot of my songs, you'll then realize after you look at the assonance how much assonance is in a lot of my songs. All over the place is littered with assonance, okay? But you'll see, you'll get used to this though. This is a skill that most people don't realize. Like, oh, I can rap, I can rhyme, but they don't have much of this, which actually adds so much more musicality to their music. And musicality sounds good to the ear, so when people listen to it, they're like, oh, that sounds good, because it sounds like it's rhyming more, even when it's not. Let's go over this, right? Okay, they think they crazy, but they ain't crazy, let's face it. Shit, basically, they just playing sick. They ain't shit, they ain't saying shit, spraying 50. But hold on, let me go over these, right? Look at the bold parts only, right? Cray, ain't, cray, fay, bay, play, ain't, say, spray. He said ain't twice. I didn't even highlight that one right there though. But you see what I'm saying? Though the cray and the ain't and the cray and the fay and the bay and the play and the ain't and the ain't and the say and the spray. Those were all like assonance. Those were all pieces that made it sound doper, even though it wasn't rhyming. The assonance was look at that. The cray, look crazy, ain't crazy, face. Like see the CRA, the vowel in it. The CRA, the cray. Ain't, another crazy, cray. Now face, F-A, face it. And then when he says babe, so basically. So when he says they ain't crazy, he says, they think they're crazy, but they ain't crazy, let's face it. Shit, basically they just playing success, they ain't shit, they ain't saying shit, spraying 50. Like the way that he says it and then he stresses when it's said, because those are the stressed syllables in it. And if you don't know much about stressed syllables, I'll talk about those with you guys as well, because that's massive for learning how to flow, because you're supposed to hit your stressed syllables on the kicks and the snares in general, especially when you're starting out in your basically, right? Again, crazy, ain't, cray, face, bass, plays, ancient, ain't saying shit, spray, like that. Then he goes AIDS, K, okay, right? Getting away, W-A, way, rhymes with cray, rhymes with ain't, okay, right? Dre, rhymes with cray, rhymes with A, rhymes with K. Assonance, see how the vowel in it? It sounds like it rhymes. I'm just doing this so it really sticks in your head, guys, okay? And turn this day, D-A, D-A-Y, but really you don't have to say the Y, day. Okay, into fucking mayhem. You staying with me? See all those bolded parts? Those actually all rhyme, even though pre-rhyme. You see what I'm saying? This is the genius of Eminem that people don't get. Most people don't get. A lot of people get it, but a lot of people like Eminem because like it's Eminem and it's the stature, but he actually is like exceptional. That's why like Patiently Waiting was like so dope. Like the way he's rocked the fucking so good, right? So that's the way that it sounds around the vowels, okay? The A, in this case, he's playing with a lot of the A, but as you know what a vowel is, A-E-I-O-U, okay? So he's playing with a lot of the A in that, okay? That's why you see all the A, like that's happening on a regular basis. You can line this into your lyrics or swap out a word for another word that gives more assonance, and your raps are going to sound better. Like, guaranteed, like Men's Warehouse, like 100%, like for fucking sure, like there's no doubt about it. So if you start doing that, you're gonna be a better rapper. Sure. And smarter. Right, now let's go over this crooked I verse we got real quick, okay? So I pulled this from a crooked I verse. Okay, let's look at this assonance here, okay? He said, on the real, it's a rap. How could you possibly stop the apocalypse when I'm atomic bombing the populace? Okay, it's all the O's here, all the O's. Shock, metropolis, hostile, popping the Glock at his mom's and his pops, and he hops in the drop and the iPod rocking the slaughterish. Like, I don't even know how he raps it, but if you take, there's so many, you see the alliteration, look, or see the assonance in it, look at that, okay? Shop, trop, hoss, pop, glah, moms, pops, hops, drop, pot, rah, slah. You see how you made it, he even had the alliteration in the slaughterish, right? Because the slah goes with pa. He made that rhyme, right? You're probably already doing this, but I'm showing you this so you probably didn't even know what assonance was before this moment. You were probably doing it, but now you're gonna be able to do it more, okay? When you're rhyming these words out, and all you really do is you sit there and you just write, you swap words out until they fit, you know? And then there's other little pieces you can do in there, like alliteration and stuff like that, which Tech 9 does a lot. I've done a whole bunch of times, and I'll give you guys some examples on what alliteration is in another video that I'll do very soon. But I wanted you guys to understand how powerful assonance is. You're never gonna forget that word, assonance. Assonance. Hit me. YouTube's probably gonna ban my video for saying that many times. But now you know what it is. You just became a smarter rapper, and I hope that you use it more often. Do me a favor, y'all. Don't even give me 4 bars today. I just want to see you give me 2 bars that have assonance in it. Take a vowel, choose an A, E, I, O, or a U, and start trying to pull words out of it that have the sounds in it, and put your bars below just as practice. I want to see like at least 4 to 6 different rhymes inside of the assonance. Okay, let's see some of that. All right, hit me with a like. Also, hit me with a subscribe and hit that little bell when you do, because it's gonna notify you every time I release a new video, so you can become a smarter rapper. I really appreciate y'all, smart rapper family. You know what I'm saying? Damn to be family. Can it be me smoking weed on a canopy, trying to get to where the Grammy be, so I can get my grandma out from where my granny be? Okay, whatever. All right, hit me with a subscribe, and subscribe to my other channel too, just so you have it. And then go ahead and click one of these videos, y'all. We were going to have to see you tomorrow with that. But all these videos, don't forget. And also, if you have a question, don't forget to ask that question below, because then you might have get a question answered in one of these videos. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Keep getting smarter. See y'all tomorrow, smart rapper family.